From creating the craziest TV game show we've ever seen, to challenging Ronaldo, to hosting a real-life version of Squid Games and giving away millions and millions and millions of dollars. What do these things all have in common? They're all a part of MrBeast's secret recipe for success.
Everything you want as a creator comes from it.
This is the ultimate MrBeast playbook for viral success. Let's go back all the way to the beginning, and trust me, we'll keep this quick because everybody knows who MrBeast is. MrBeast uploaded his first video to YouTube in 2012 when he was just 13 years old. Back then, Jimmy was pretty much doing what every other 13-year-old kid on YouTube was doing. Minecraft, Call of Duty, the usual. But before long, something clicked. Jimmy realized that he could make money on YouTube, and he became obsessed.
I was like 12. And it kind of just clicked in my head. I was like, wait a minute, you can make money doing this.
He began studying the algorithm, figuring out what worked and what didn't, and his content eventually evolved. He started to make commentary videos estimating the wealth of other YouTubers, and developed a series making fun of other YouTubers' videos introductions. And that's when Jimmy got hooked. YouTube was the thing that he wanted to do, and so 4 years in, he made a choice that would change the face of YouTube forever. With nothing but 30,000 subscribers and a dream, he dropped out of college and decided to pursue a career as a YouTuber. But little did he know, it would completely consume him.
Some of you have already started to notice it, but I'm addicted, okay? I admit it. I'm addicted, okay?
He watched other creators, analyzed what worked, and obsessed over tiny details like click-through rates and watch time. He spent years perfecting his craft, and guess what? He finally cracked the code. He developed a formula for cranking out viral hits. His big break was a simple but ridiculous video of himself counting from 1 to 100,000. The ordeal took him 40 hours, and he sped it up in post to keep the video under 24 hours. Yeah, that video now has 30 million views, which is absolutely insane, but it's nothing compared to what you'll see later in this video. Virality is planned, and he kept doing it. During this period, he kept cranking out viral videos, like attempting to break glass using 100 megaphones, watching paint dry for an hour, and attempting to spin a fidget spinner non-stop for a whole day. All of them designed to grab someone's attention and never let it go. He focused on staying unpredictable, near-perfect script writing, and stories that you had to watch until the end. And people always love a big fat giveaway too. As his channel grew and brought in more money, he reinvested into better equipment. His stunts got bigger and crazier. He built a $14 million studio and was constantly giving away millions of dollars. Just take this into consideration. If you want to accelerate your growth, you can't keep doing the same thing and expect bigger results. You've got to amplify and improve yourself and your product. But just when it seemed like he had mastered the formula, MrBeast did what few dared to do. He disrupted his own success. And this is where we start to see things change again for MrBeast.
I'm just focused on making the best videos possible, period. I don't care about making money. I don't care about time. I don't care about anything. I just want to make the best videos on the planet.
By investing in himself, he grew to new levels. I mean, just see for yourself.
I'm gonna spend the next 50 hours buried alive in this coffin. This is the most expensive firework in the entire world.
And it all culminates with his insane recreation of Squid Game in 2021. And guess what? Now he operates at an insane scale. From his very first upload to hitting 100 million subscribers in 2022, a common thread has always been that he reinvests into himself and into the channel. But his rise wasn't just fueled by giant stunts and massive giveaways. It was also driven by his ability to connect with other creators and S-tier celebrities. Let me just go through a quick list here. Logan Paul, IShowSpeed, The Rock, Gordon Ramsay, Ryan Trahan, Justin Timberlake, Mark Cuban, Pete Davidson, Bella Poarch, Ludwig, Ronaldo, PewDiePie, Cam Newton, KSI, Kai Cenat, Marquez Brownlee, Jax Film, and that is just to name a few. By jumping into other creators' videos and inviting them into his, everyone's audience is multiplied and everybody wins. It's also about how you do it though, by being weird and standing out. Do you remember that big rivalry between PewDiePie and T-Series with their audiences going to war with each other?
Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna.
Well, MrBeast seized the moment. He brought billboards across America urging people to subscribe to PewDiePie. He ran ads and even bought Super Bowl seats for his team. They spelled out "Sub to PewDiePie" on their shirts, turning heads in one of the most watched events of the year. The stunt wasn't just about PewDiePie though, it showcased MrBeast's creativity to amplify his reach and to get his message out. So be bold, think outside the box, and when you collaborate, make it unforgettable. The key is to make people talk. So what happens when you do everything right like MrBeast has? Well, how does 340 plus million subscribers sound? How about opportunities to do whatever you want? But then what? Well, Jimmy has taken what works on YouTube, big ideas, high stakes, and generosity, and has adapted it to tons of other ventures, proving that his strategies and brand can work anywhere. His videos are in over 20 different languages on YouTube, making them accessible to anybody. He's branched out to new brands like Lunch Leaf, Feastables, MrBeast Lab, Beastaburger. He even has a philanthropic YouTube channel that has given away millions more dollars to charitable causes, on top of projects like Team Trees and Team Seas. And of course, what's the freshest on everyone's minds right now is Beast Games, his new competition series that takes MrBeast's signature wild challenges and cranks them up to 11. The show has become a beast of a hit, streaming on Prime Video and racking up millions of views within weeks. And in classic MrBeast style, the show incorporates charitable elements with some episodes highlighting donations or giveaways tied to the challenges. Beast Games isn't just entertainment, it's a master class in diversification. It shows the power of branching out, and Beast Games is only one piece of a much bigger empire. So why does diversification matter? Honestly, it's simple. Relying on one platform or one source of income is super risky, and expanding your brand across industries and platforms makes you more resilient and unlocks new growth opportunities. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just someone with a side hustle, the same is true for you. Take a page from the MrBeast Playbook. Don't just build a following, build an empire that surrounds your audience from all angles.